Alright, good morning everyone. Okay, so today we're going to do some word building, but before we get started, I just want to go through and review our sounds. So, what sound does this letter make? Well done, it says R. Alright, what sound does this letter make? That's right, it says N. Alright. What sound does this letter make? Well done, it says B, 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 B. Alright. What sound does this letter make? Well done, it says G, 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 G. Alright. What sound does this letter make? That's right, it says P, 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 P. Alright. What sound does this letter make? Well done, it says Alright. What sound does this letter make? Well done, it says S. Alright. What sound does this letter make? Well done, it says D, 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 D. Alrighty. What sound does this letter make? Well done, it says Alrighty. What sound does this letter make? Well done, it says Alrighty. What sound does this letter make? Well done, it says eh, 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 eh. Alright, what sound does this letter make? Well done, it says Alright, what sound does this letter make? Well done, it says ooh, ooh. Alright, this is one of our new sounds. What sound does this letter make? Well done, it says ooh, ooh, like in where or what. Alright, what sound does this letter make? Well done, it says I, 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 I. Alrighty, what sound does this letter make? Well done, it says Alright, what sound does this letter make? Now this is one of our new sounds. Well done, it says J, 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 J. Alright, this is another one of our new sounds. What sound does this letter make? Well done, it says Z. Okay, what sound does this letter make? Well done, it says oops. Alright, what sound does this letter make? Well done, it says Alright, what sound does this letter make? Well done, it says Alright, what sound does this letter make? Well done, it says k, 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 k. And then finally, what sound does this letter make? Well done, it says k, k, k as well, doesn't it? Okay, those are all our sounds. Well done, everyone. Okay, we are going to build our first word. I have all the sounds on the board for the word web. Web. Alright, listen carefully. What sound do you hear when my finger is under this line? Web, web. What sound do you hear? Well done. You do hear woo, woo, don't you? So let's say the sound is a bit down to the line. Woo. Okay. Listening carefully. What sound do you hear when my finger is under this line? Web, web. What sound do you hear? Well done. You do hear don't you? All right, let's say and bring it down to the line. All right. What sound do you hear when my finger is under this line? Web, web. What sound do you hear? Well done. You do hear b. Web. All right, let's say the sound is a bit down to the line. B. All right. Let's say the sounds and read the word. Web. Web. One more time. Web. Web. Okay. Now we're going to say the sounds and write the word. Okay, I'm going to start by drawing my 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Okay. We're going to start by doing our woo. Now remember when we do our woo, okay, we start here. Okay, we go down, climb back up, down, climb back up, and then a little eyelash. Okay, I'll do that one more time, but we'll do it up here. We'll go down, up, eyelash. Okay, now I'm going to move on to our okay, I'm going to start by going from here, up, down, and kick. Okay, and then we're going to move on to our b. Okay, so we start up here, we go down, up, and an eyelash. Okay, so I would like you to write the word web. I'd like you to say the sounds and write the word. So remember, as you write each letter, each sound, I want you to say the sound as you write the word. Web. Okay. You can pause the video here and write the word web, but I'm going to keep moving on to our next word. Okay. Okay. All right. I have all the sounds on the board for the word zap. Zap. Okay. Listening carefully. What sound do you hear when my finger is under this line? Zap. Zap. What sound do you hear? Well done. You do hear zzz. Alright, let's say the sound is a bit down to the line. Zzz. Alright, now remember, although my line's sort of rubbed off a bit, I'll draw that again, that the little bit underneath is our tail and it needs to sit below the line. Alright, what sound do you hear when my finger is under this line? Zap. Zap. What sound do you hear? Well done, you do hear So let's say the sound is a bit down to the line. Beautiful. Alright, listening carefully for that last sound. What sound do you hear when my finger is under this line? Zap. Zap. What sound do you hear? Well done, you do hear. Alright, let's say the sound is a bit down to the line. Beautiful. Alrighty. Let's say the sounds and read the word. Now we're going to try and stretch them out again so that we can blend them together and hear that word, okay? Zap. 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 Okay, do you see when we stretch those sounds out, how much easier it is to blend them together? Okay, we'll do it one more time. Zap. Zap. Okay, see how when we did that we heard it that time? Okay. Now we're going to say the sounds, whoops, and write the word. Okay. Now remember with our z that it's kind of like a 3, but we make the tail a bit longer and we give it a bit more bounce. Okay. So with our z, we start here. Okay. We go around and then around again. Okay. I'll do another one up here. Around and then around again. Okay. All right, we're going to move on to our ah because we've done our zzz. All right, we need to do our ah. So we start here, we go around, up, down, and kick. Beautiful. Okay, now we're going to do our p, p, p. Now remember with our p, we start here, go down, we climb back up, we go over, down, and kick. Alrighty. So you can pause the video here and have a go at writing the word zap. All right, remember, say the sounds as you write the word zap, zap. But I'm going to rub this word off the board and we're going to move on to our next word. Rub those lines off and have another go at those lines. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Right. I have all the sounds on the board for the word jug, jug, okay? I have all the sounds on the board for the word jug. Okay, listening carefully. What sound do you hear when my finger is under this line? Jug, jug. What sound do you hear? Well done, you do hear, oh, I've forgotten how to do it. Oh no, j, 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 j. Alright, so let's say the sound as I reach down to the line, j, j, j. Alrighty, okay. What sound do you hear when my finger is under this line? Jug, jug. What sound do you hear? Well done. You do hear ah, 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 and it just stretches it out, doesn't it? So it's like going ah. Alright, let's say ah as we bring it down to the line. Ah. Beautiful. Okay, what sound do you hear when my finger is under this line? Listen carefully. Jug, jug. What sound do you hear? Hold on, you do hear g, g, g. Alright, let's say the sound, bring it down to the line. G, g, g. Alright, let's say the sounds and read the word. Jug, jug. Alright, we're going to do it one more time. Let's stretch those sounds out to blend them together, okay? Jug, jug. Oh, I don't know what happens to that first sound. Let's do that again. Jug, jug. One more time. Jug, jug. Okay. Let's say the sounds and write the word now. Okay, my first sound is j. So when I do my j, sorry, just moving my mouse out of the way. We start here. We go down and kick, okay? Or down and curl like our g. And then we dot our j, okay? Do another one up here. Down and curl, dot our j, okay? And we see that a little bit sits above the line and a little bit sits below the line. Okay, now we're going to do our okay? We start here, we go down, up, down, and kick. Alright, now finally we're going to do our g, okay? So we start here, we go around and around and around, up, down, and kick. Beautiful. Alright, so what I want you to do now is I want you to pause the video and have a go at writing the word jug. Okay, remember to say the sounds as you write the word. J, g, jug. Beautiful. Okay, and I'm going to rub this out and move on to our last word. Okay, I have all the sounds on the board for the word jot. Okay, so jot is a word that probably isn't used as often as you think. But jot means to like quickly write down a note. I will jot that note down. Okay, so jot. Okay, what sound do you hear when my finger is under this line? Jot, jot, jot. What sound do you hear? Well done, you do hear j, j, j. Alright, let's say the sound, so bring it down to the line. J, 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 j. Alright, and remember that my tail sits below the line. Alright, listening carefully. What sound do you hear when my finger is under this line? jot, jot, jot. What sound do you hear? Well done. You do hear oh, oh, oh. All right, let's say oh and bring it down to the line. Oh, 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 oh. All right. We're going to We're going to listen carefully for that last sound. Okay, what sound you hear when my finger is under this line? Jot, jot. What sound do you hear? Don't you do hear t, t, t. All right, let's say the sound as we bring it down to the line. T, 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 t. Perfect. Okay, we are now going to say the sounds and read the word. Are you ready? J, A, T, jot. One more time. J, A, T, jot. Okay, let's say the sounds and write the word. 1, 2, 3. Oops. Okay, my first sound is the J. So let's start with our J. All right, so we start up here, just a little bit above the line. We come down and kick. Beautiful, and then we're going to dot our J. Now we're going to move on to our O. So we go around and around and around and eyelash. Beautiful. Okay, and then finally we're going to do our T. All right, we're going to start up here. We're going to go down and kick, and then we're going to cross our T. All right. So that is how you write jot. Okay, we are up to our last word, so I would like everybody to have a go at saying the sounds and writing the word. Now, just before the video ends, could you please make sure, mums and dads, that if possible, take a photo and upload it to Seesaw so that I can see how your child is going with their sounds right. It always helps when I can see where they're at. And then finally, if you can't upload a photo to Seesaw, if you can get them to do it on a piece of paper instead next time, that would make it a lot easier, and then that way you can just hand it in on Friday with their work. Okay, well done everybody, and I will see you in another video, or I will see you next week. Okay, bye guys.